Hune elialero ese egikaro igo tugitoba no tigidene cyouru kolenda sene jesta babu jitare konyarekana gutangika tanyareke tare konyaraka ba amona inturitko elialero lakini ndege karo kwika ekoreke nabona nateka ko batayiri tukulialero ninna bagadi bya studio abo tugochikonyaraka batokurigereria igoro ya siasa anna mono asoro ngorwa gusi abo igo ase ense ya Kenya ingima ni gonde no Moske Samuel Apoko oyo okabiro mwamsiwe ward ya Kiogoro abo igo igetikero kyo bojumbe we bunge ya Nyaribari chache asabo chole bonne bo mwaka bujirugere na manongebere ne bere abo igo Moske James Atandi abo igo igetikero kyo bojumbe ase bunge ya Gitutu chache North asabo chole bonne bwaita bonsi no banyaka bagwika ime studio togochaka no Moske Samuel Apoko elmanya kabaga kwa kwani tomanya kogendera
Bia mono muraria yumindaro ni toto. Era otro no moko. Tutagete ko kwanira bagusi baito emagara bayabana nare ko borinya bonsi bari motor gerereti. Moto tagare buya ande mwigurende ekitura kwane. Na gerigeta kogokie korengano kwani kwa kwarenge na gutugusaba kwabera. Egekora 20 tutagete twagajane enjere yiwato tebia kisiasa, economically, spiritually and socially. Igo turen ngota biyo mindo James karibu sana. Nande amabitate amatukonsi na chirega tembe. Tuwabere nabanta ndire mokora ndeta nabantu bale sinyunga kieke moko ndeta la siasa irenge. Wana babi mwandete ro montoro up to the task. What we are going to discuss today. Ende nere na kura mwari wakora kina wana gusaba ngakera kuli toguchaka no gusaba then we proceed.
Biyo no gusabero le kara mwacha ke buguto bale bad batista mwacha ke buguto lero abo to ba ya de buguto gachimwe musika
that is it.
Biyo mono murali biyo mono mheshimiwa Apoko ndocho nkalibisira na no mulisia thank you aso gotwalika tokwanire nkwane kwa bekira Royal Ten Petroleum ase siasa ya gusi na ana uturara mbali na Kenya ngimekegera moko iwekare talugusi ukamure buya mona sayo yes
biyo mono kigima Moske Samuel Apoko ni motarajaka ngwata ngotwara masaba na bugutwa masaba mengega
to sabe omuyata ata nando yolinya sai tato itolo igoro yo kwarengoro nando ragende ko bakana kale maro bengi yatu achira so siwa batonyole tromoyo to kore nimbiya mona senge ke ukyo moto eta bosotori wakanira asa ito wato eli bagita ko sai ko konton julia so mono ko mona tona chebina bya boronge to kwenera so ro tugocha twachira sege kareke na watu okubonya saa ito ngotorae na ndo munyakiru wekene na barayi be studio nya saa ito baraye na ndo baisebe no ngainya karwaganda ko lemiremeye ebege kwagacha gusiye ito na Kenya ngima ono kabamo na iduke katwakolie na kwarengo sa gwita siri traye so yero motori ito
amen biyo mono Moske Apoko mulisi Apoko biyo mono sama saba yo makema na ngolengi ko bagwa sabire ntogochaka nae to bere beso Moske Atandi egera to gusio mwikari molio kaigo to bere gocha siasa Moske Atandi soko chakera twanzi Kenya tole ngolengi ndete yesigati eno sokire go chisiko ya Kenya sama tukabwa ngoiga onye mwasokire kurugusi lakini tari kuru Kenya gomoro chinge kiana tamangana ge siasa ajonsto go kwanira ase generally general overview ki oranya ka bago summarize kirike ga data sense ya Kenya bonega as far as politics is concerned.
Thank you very much. Ikilito kwa na politics ito kwa na leadership ere Kenya bonoiga igona takantebe na ande nkwane bunaba na inchi aba Kenya bafile tibonoiga nkwano bo maene politics ere Kenya gosobura iboro aba na inchi nkwe murungani bale because ekero leadership ero tali president yoka to kurigeri ubura ibogo chaka even from the village elder go tira up to the president including elected leaders sababu na teberanga aba na inchi nkwe murungani bale ebintu mbere ba kurigeri ebinge broken promises turachakira mangana buna yasha ekera barayi bagote ne platform go kwana ebagote anga shango wakire lakini ekero konyoro mongi no lyo kwenda nyagitari bweka igagote ngekara weka nyagitari oikate ngakara kana 7000 you activate sha the oria number 2 neme change menge to kurangirwa abana batagete kogenda amasomo ki university that means amangana free education etaribu ya Kenya na injire yaba na inchi bago abarai bachorire bagotinna bamiriri nga free education ere Kenya ikunare gusaba batigo kwa na TV bachi ground ya batebya abana inchi oronga free education yakortaki nero baigunkia abana inchi bakubateba inki kiagera na teba nga uburai go bogo chaka even from village elders sababu neye ekerogo sangia common man ulio agete kura akuri services akogenda to the village elder village elder na atagete wose batwarire tabigete nga karanga gento getemana gokonya akuroro akonde se sub chief yaba the same akuroro akogenda se police station karare tegento tumana gokonya yego ikasi shate ligokora yego ikesukuru problem nero generally wasanginga abananchi bachakire kwemurungania. That is what even the issue of GNCC ya very problem Kenya. Even when the president yego tenayate abanga na asabira mahabira, let us listen bakananga your apologies ndoliku you accept why there is a lot of pain enchira ebintu bigokorwa not by the president but even abantu the administrative level including the elected leaders. Yes.
Umuske apoko.
Yes.
So kuligera likuwa ngaki ngayitole bonaga. So go chakira bunense.
As a country, I want to be very realistic nga. Akero ono yominto chemsi atebanga bora ibo chakira kurumsalia. Ono jirigambo chakira kurugoro because what generally as a country etokoligeria chakira presidency tuatumbuka weka. Ruto Kera's office, there was a lot of expectations. A lot of expectations from the Kenyans. And you know, again, tunataka kote bakurera bakusiba manye na Bakenya ngeringa ki we politicians, as much as my brother here is saying, James nera mochumbe na musabireta cha mochumbo kitutu chache north. He would also be accused the same. I've been in office for 2 terms. Nimenyiti. Ekero kuligichukura. You overpromise. But when it comes to the reality, or deliver, the problem happens. Because even to be honest, you work with the budget. When the budget is limited, even you cannot accommodate them all because of the budget. That's one thing. Again, I can't William Ruto. He overpromised. I can want to service tamanyet. One a problem. What create cheese we Jones Pia promised and we can cheese. That's the first promise. Ayo mintona kwa na yasha. When sha again to kende yonse karage go chaka. Ke bwada dating problems. But as time goes by, karokia bwadrense ngoja karokia beki. If sha wasa ko kora panel beating small. Eyo mwana mintata bacha msinga. Change system abantu bakane monthly na yakabere in NHIF SHA is very good. Like now I can tell you yakonyire awai kiraniri as much as atebanga ngakero ikiro gote work and the whole year again to kirikira usuwa lakini yakero work and nekero once ko batulite my friend gote kwagenda na one I can bear witness on Thursday last week mongno na ruare te kurubo na reward Ochaka Rwali were level 6, ABDI and 7-6, and the family is very poor. I can tell you, Shaya, I can't tell you, Jones, Agasoka. Igosha is a good change. We call a Rupan beating a bit is going to work effectively. That's number one. Number two, again, to Atavakia free education. Free education, we go back to Moi regime. Free we are engage gocha but in jaren ka affected yorole umuntu bano o actualize tigendeke almost ke Kibaki free primary education and free secondary education paka na recaptation chiaja kubeko. The only problem now I'm telling you na bono a problem koba ya berese a government yo moske William Ruto whom I support in Keringa there is miscommunication. The president himself, the deputy says this, then the minister says this. This is the main problem. Like now, capitation is 22,500. Yeah. From the regime ya Moi, from the regime ya Uhuru, Yegaswa na Ruto. Ruto, he has been effecting it for the last 2 years he has been in office. Okay? This is the 3rd financial year. Why does it change? As much as I'm supporting him, for that one I cannot support. Otherwise, what we need, getting a free education, esuke, go to 22,000, again then on 35,000. That's my opinion. And what I'm saying, in Korea, I believe in my head. In Chirateyo Rutara Spichuesa go chance. It is nowhere in this country, and the people will not accept.
Yes, serikali mbaru tirana mangana manyora bakwerera ninga umuwasiri chone mbadi na rota yatanga chiakere uja 16 umosike migo chiakataba ya chiatigere 22 tegerende ne epacha ya bajumbe bakarutunga na bajumbe batapacha tichiba sisa ine bokurutirana ngoro na kwatabe serikali.
That's what I'm saying. There is a miscommunication between intergovernment officials, because even the minister says, but you see now, even the Minister of Finance, then Nonyoso mete aso mete paka CBK in terms of the accounts. At the times, takobo mwango kukwane gento otara akora consultation. As much as he looked at the budget, akaronga kaga ku effect chiwese 22,000 abagira abana bara Kenya nchigo kura mwaka mugima, he would have not come out like that. You You see the problem also we have. You ask the principals, you ask the principal of our schools. Up to now, the last financial year, Zimbabwe the capitation chance 22,000. Nature primary 1,320 by a child. It chose in Barakana the whole year. In Kiago to Merech's financial year 2025, 2026. Atarato tebin ki atara korira year 2024 2025 then the minister lies in a problem. It's not even the other officials. The ministers come out and we know you say I'm not defending because he hails from Guziland, but he has stood, because Neri custodian of the Ministry of Education, he has stood in his ground. Capitation remains the same as 22,500. Nigeria primary it means 1320. You see now, we should follow the ministry, the ministers statement. We don't follow the Minister of Finance because you're never then they want to be blamed. The Minister of Finance, he loses two things. Yes.
Umusika tandi ko igule muna umusika pokata bire igoro ya sha igoro ya mangana ya capitation ne biyonse gocha ekaroko bibwatirani litko ligoro kusama tukabire atato igaitire serikali janya to kobaga gokea ni Chiba State University echinande na serikali gotabeka na ya chikine tiraginande ya chikeire tumatinga comment ya onere ligoro ya kiga kionse kekaro to kwanere gori semi arafu umusika poko kwanere goro ya sha kolengana na era sha ngo kolere aye go experience likende keli bwana ni wane koranga tira akora bite yakorire
buya mono moralia mheshimiwa very in office 2 times name my thing and about experience some issues that you raise what I raised even to nakwana is about corruption corruption in the sense ugosangiyo mwananchi ukawaida everywhere akogenda wikasa buongo right from the village elder to the police station anywhere akogenda after sabirwonge yarire gagwika buna shy. Let me tell you, na wacha niongea Kiswahili so tatisikike mzuri. Ministers wengi wa mheshimiwa rais they are very corrupt. Iko report nitapeana kwako kuhusu claims ya SHA. Unakuta facility ya level 2 ukiangalia claims ambazo kuna daktari wamenitumia private hospitals, it is about billions of money. A level 2 facility claims sinato the overcharge. Mwenye hospitali akienda kufuata hii claims anaambiwa anapewa 500,000. Ameprint kitu ameenda naye anasema according to my account na ile report menitumia my claims is about billions of shillings. Why are you paying me 500? Kuna mmoja alienda akaambiwa futa hiyo akapewa 50,000. Ukiona Duale anapiga kelele iko wizi inaendelea nyuma. Niliona juzi akitusi mheshimiwa Gideon Moi eti yeye hana kitu. Kuna watu wanaangusha rais. Kitu ya pili, hatutaki kuleta maneno ya afya kuifanyia siasa. That's what we are saying. The question is, vile mheshimiwa amesema, mimi nakubaliana na yeye. kama SHA itafanya kazi inasaidia watu wengi. Kwa hiyo mfano mpeana. Lakini nataka nikuulize, mama ambaye hana 7,000 na ni mama mjamzito ameenda hospitali hana pesa, atasaidiwa namna gani? Hiyo ndio questions ambao tunauliza. Kuna hospitali mingi Kenya ambao zilishushwa viwango, including Krista Marian, from level 5 to level 3. Ukiangalia kriteria ilitumika kushusha hizi mahospitali, na ukiuliza nyinyi ni waandishi wa habari, nendeni mchunguze hii maneno, nitakupa hiyo list. Tuache kusungusha maneno ya afya ya kutumikia wananchi na siasa kidogo kidogo. Mheshimiwa Rais, namuomba, kuna wizi mkubwa unaendelea SHA, aangalie na uchunguzi ifanywe. Amangana tigangira nigere tukwamburia amangana ya ichisemi munateba umuwaziri ngusi yakorwa, and we want to support him muno morayo kuruga iga akore gasi yake. Lakini hii issue mara muna reduce pesa, munaongeza, inaleta confusion kwa students, confusion mingi. Tungeomba vile mheshimiwa amesema, hizi statement badi anatoa, he needs to consult kabla kuja in public kuja kuleta matamshi kama yale, a consult ya manyingi ntago kwana neke teroreka ngata ketukobeka mo minister in bad light ekero mo minister determined gokorki kokolega asiaye. So I agree with him, but ebi into muna gusiga igatwa togotebo mwana minto na ende tiga toirane because mheshimiwa tebanga agonsabira ndo mbo mochumbe nande no mulisia pia muna samusaba yumwana minto nyasago seseni toterere umwananchi ulio kawaida uwake kura toigunga inkiago teba onyoro te na chira nyagitari na seliwe timbo atibese torigie njira na kibakoraki na kibagoko yandara ko example tubwata baraye gusi abachorera tubwata babasibanu sosoro babachavet nyakundi bali close to the government ekarabagoche mekutano the empowerment mekutano yabagocha inki geko garabatari wa address these issues, especially amangana ya capitation na abana babandi bakuriye mechango bono batayite kwanda university chibesikitakoriki chitayo. We agree with you, in any government abantu bali bagotoka serikali bali bagotoka isiko, lakini nebo soro na akoreto mukiaka fomu serikali ye talikura yayo ka yabigete to state house mbali bararete station bakorinda chikura cyaro barabunga ibali inki bakonyora tisa teko shina bananchi bakwebori tiangira na somo mheshimiwa ya poko egara ngombo ya MCA ga kolete ga siabiye sana. That is why I feel tinga 2 times muno mo MCA is enough, and in fact brother wa kolete gentekie abantu bali bakumira mo MCA boire agasuka, and I know going forward inko genda arare. So tigaturigererie njira tokurwanira abantu baitore batabwatie voice as a community ebintu bine bitwakwana biekere president biekere abarai linda abantu baminto bakonyo. Yes,
antese mu mutore no cheso musika poko litukolia ijuma na bwata borke gwaga bali bakurukanga na singing interns aba roki wange kimisato baje tukabaka bayetwa marube bakaenda nyagitari munakisi teaching and referral hospital na yamuyabo yanyato ko bage konyora boroki gwabu bali bakore disukuru munajinas babikirwa kase umushahara wabwande wakano bayirira irube umuwasiri yakanda kana ngaba bete babikirwa roiga iligali abandi kanya bakore gachi mutinyo yomo abandi kanya bakore gachi ngetiwe gisato bono ebata tu ngabaira nya marubaya ngani go baito marubaya ke makosa igendo munekinga kiura kibiki
moralia duale tabwate no authority watebanga abana balimba ba confirmed ekero baetwa maruba ye budget njarengo the government njarigiretie basis yoko ba maruba nereri if we has another reasons yoko geratari ka bana ba let him be clear nganto tayiko lika bana ba because of ABCD lakini abana bali nyore ba kolire gasi pa komutinyo yomo by the way
na kolengana barabu kukuna chake sedi rubenali getigoro eligatebanga se application yabo oche onye tora graduate oche ne lirubali koroga no korete school completion letter eli babu atara ba ikirale batanga aya wono ko ikabwache ne sate udi ne ya graduation
one minute. I'll only give these people very simple information. Was advice. tibagende court of law because ekero gote ngoche ni lirube likor ngokurete skuru why koro nande gwate ngakara agenda we all know ngaki abantu bagwako bache babo in government igoko genda mambiusa ngura tira abantu bangakorire ki obekire onyore kwero lirube lirubwate onyore kwangire gotegerero seek legal redress in a court of law or legal sino koleki no konyo lakini tutaragenda abo I think Buhari njira cooperate in the Ministry of Health ngure is a lot of questions. You can't address these young people back all the school over dismissing a letter lirube ligo sogendeka. These are the issues chances is about unemployment nebi into binde. This is the area ba want to go chake bara konya abana bunaba abo basuke mutu. Yes.
Umusika poko. Ekyo kia abana kia bara kiwa but matase kwa kegure ngabara kiwa mbara raba ba tumitu nyagitari na banyagitari go chinas ande bagakana bagategwa afite mutiyo bagategwa ngabone muri wrongly replaced bakabari forget tumetinga ngira nyako kwanira igoro yegete mane
biya manu muraria before ndara kwanira ya mangana nataka kwanira gento mweshimiwa atandi atebiri number 1 corruption tari ya chaka kero president Ruto side office let us be very fair. Corruption started a long time ago no nekero moya korete aro ekinege ndo kiamerire chiruti kabisa ile ndo gwa corruption kibwate merie menene iko corruption ekine ginata goteba nga corruption started a long time ago Ruto gaso bugambye nyoro corruption ikorete hero paka no nyekero baringe na Uhuru wale deputy ya Ruto yani ya Uhuru still there was a lot of corruption. That's number 1. Number 2 again to nataka goteba minto James ngiringa abana bakogenda university bagosaba emichango is not that nga chibe chi government njiyo no omwana okogenda university akoegwa chibeza cha help ekerare university which means goikara aswa university and atandio minto emichango yeti has been there tari acha agete michango yacha agete Ruto so ile president obere president bona abantu abana bakonde university ngate bachanga no we have been doing that injina acha agete ko changana na immediate na Rwete college na ri gitu bonya gitari na re ko pima abantu na mwana ayite university okonyore eri rubenga omwana nyere bo chiri university to muchangire na acha report and actually I want to acknowledge nga emyaka ya etire omwana arakobera sikwa almost 1 year or 2 years makane university. My brother yo abakushimons bagoteba nero chenjetinga tiga abana immediately amatemu asoka that very year abana bacho ni university which is okay and we are seeing it is effective and it's working. Are you seeing that? But number 2 chibesa cha help nakinata eberango monte barimo and you allow me to use that word name Minister of Finance. You see he says this in the following day kwanyora banene bae bako rebuke what he has said and which means nareko advice nareko nyachinsa chuko nyole president nareko advice nga yenye go tagete go succeed whether you are going to deliver in 2027 elections or not omonto yongo go itare mon oyo kwa bekirega oyo minister ya finance because he says ngajiba se chair reduced to 39 billion cha help and the other day on a Friday a minister ya education oyo minto migo shumbaga said the man has been elevated to 41 million. Do we follow? But I want to be realistic and say the only person to follow is the minister in charge. Because the minister, the CS, and the work of the CS is policy making. Then the policy maker, the Ministry of Education, the minister. I don't see where Duare Minister of Finance is only the custodian of treasury. It means to be that and clown nga chiweza chi country no chikote ministry here. He should not be concerned once korobo kama ngana insa. He got the money help. It is remains intact because we follow the words chair minister. And I'm saying abane keraba chi like now I'm happy my brother and I'm here to announce getting a kidimbata abane university more than 2. Oyo mona aswa igari ba aswa etamu ya gatatu yo mwaka uri nari aswa the first year na I wear oyo ndo gojukora ole 40 year na etu na gendete ko igo el puero is working a model yeri aba ba rete yenga chipanzi I think injaba policy techeti ko ba effective diri abantu boga cha aba chensie ka tandura masakare ga tuta uchiaria wana abana bako ukorengana na apply. That is what I want to say. Ata ndinta ketabo mororo tinta etiabe na chibari mujiri konyo kondeteraga. I wanted to discuss this thing soberly na kinta kerechi amsia akire na nakira akwana. Iwende kikina mo era saboronge na kinta ketabu ate boronge nga mechange yetu kurange rwese binyoro to changira abana bako ende university is not the government which has failed ko bael omwana tikaso university na baba na kisi ananda amapi nga engaki ya Ruto it has happened nga aba minister to airu abakuru from our region Moskemacho na bero kisi nere gotangana asa abana bagocha chi university umwana minto migosi naso ete nade nato eta abana irunane eyoga yatu wede ne Eldoret University yatu wade munane na 700 bakatuwa abana 300 ayisingira nande kera abana bagocha university abange no ene chibese icho nali chigocha chigocha university nyi which means aba minister abonse babere Moskemacho no musiko migosi ogendete mbagende kumanyenge community gera kini ekera abana barabange nabono ga economically twagirwiri last year 28,000 and something into twani Kenya abana ungoja bara bakombo echinyombe cy'abantu baitu babwata economically twakini university comment were chibesa because of the number of students yakorete ebwate. Finally I want to speak ngende ekekero kinanje na kinate abanku bwati siatandi. The president is not wrong. But the problem ni minister abege ejinde chi koroboka chinge chibali na bono dual ochire ese ministry onyori abana bahirwa maru mbo marimo does it mean na duara bwata bakungu batatu duara ino banda tubano semana they are four era abakungu abana bwata tari bana kuibora omwana utuno mwana go muntu soronga bakabate bibiyega ekero musubati oli dipora ngo arenge ministry
para paras
ega from the director of LT Kenya ngima Dr. Patrick Amoti nero ligeteriru ga tebete buyanga on the way you apply for this no nya tara kora graduation soronga asia guriru from the institution is akora asar go train then the rate was valid ere de akiro muri yakire ne rapa stamp ye principle inki duare kiamo chanda achake kubuta ngonde wenzi ota ngabona onyo gota ka verification ngwe ko bakeke tabu keriya graduate. That is being stupid and I want to say like that is being stupid for the minister abana bana ba Kenya tigabati bakole mirimo ikigero kina mongote and I want to say na botora ite president ani abantu bane mbaro batagete gukora sabotage asonzo ko failure aseme mega correct and that's what I want to say. There are two ministers, 3 kwanza one nero ina kwa nedware incha stand na bana ngabatigwe bakore gas number 2 onya baje bara akanu chwese chibara korere number 3 nanjira monko bwata sinu muroyo minto chemsinga abana abasikirego redress and finally nabono na tebirituare president we kerengereza onya atagete gosaba because yabanta banko minister kwana lero mambi ya deputy president kana ngende ke minister yakwa namba ritukori ya gatatu president yatebanga free education na bege enderete na konya korete ere umudu we follow then which means no ni garis na renga assembly iga ya goteba iyo when you pass the act if it contravenes the constitution the constitution remains supreme. Which means Eagitieyu is Faran, Naran, Void. Which means the statement Chabadi is Naran, Void.
Masikatani wataka comment.
Nataka go correct a few things. Mheshimiwa whatever corruption trachaka in the regime ya Ruto. It started a long time ago and we are in agreement. What I meant, the officers back work under the president, they are either sabotaging the president or ebatagete ku enrich themselves wokabanyene. That is waro chego chinse corruption yekoletaki na kwa nerororo. A president buno mheshimiwa maite andara wate ndeke mudrisa time 2017 de Nairobi alisiki seitinga sangia poko state house yakuru ababwata akagunia gaboriga akagunia igutete nuko umushima nakumerete suicide ali akabuni so urolenge president na Ruto was the deputy president. He has every reason kukwane serikali ikiere serikali, even myself go supporting the Mheshimiwa Ruto. But we must tell the president the truth. Inki abantu bagukwane ground na ndengi kire ground. Issue yetu akwana ya dwari. Kibesa abana bawakanwa tari kibesa jangi na dwara uchu wakana ne tax y'abana inchi bakuru. That's why we feel bitanga inki geko grote tusiekira abana banyorire opportunity yo gukora gasi overselling amba colleagues. Igento ngiri na kwana igoro ikinya gitari. Iki cyabete elevated ekinde kigake. Krista Marian is a faith-based institution facility from level 5 to level 3. Uisa ko ende kinya gitari ku crescent of another religion from level 2 to level 5. We don't want to go that way in this country. Okorera bana inche gasi wachaga kuriye njira okweni rich na gukore bintu binde biko gecha bakenya. Tigankwa ne gasi point yengo koraiga. Intwe buna barai bagusi including Mheshimiwa Poko. Onyo totagete gokonyi president. The issue of Chensisi yacha. And I wish na wata bane skuru mbaya we help mnatewa. There is a group of students now merete which university ga Bosongo. They were complaining imana kanyora chibese. I called you Mheshimiwa Waziri Nkamotebi. There is a lot of issues raised here. Waziri told me I'm in a meeting babeko na conference call. We had a conference call with these students. They raised their issues. Mbale ba konyora, mbale ba tali konyora. Mbale ba go from a very poor background, babe kire bandi embe. Abande ba go ngento kurunga siju maintenance something na ba requires. What we are saying tikatoli ngira totegera abana aba enerera akonye no muwaziri ku understand the gaps jire in this funding model abana aba bakoreki bakonywe. Finally nale go sabaiga. Find the time. Invite those students here. Get a few of them, listen to them. Iguin kibago kwana, magana kibago etre school. Do you know? Uise ko enda ki petrol station morning abantu bago rona mutukuna wanafunzi school. Ki petrol station morning. Including guards. Ase chinyomba abantu bamenyete. Ugo sangira wanafunzi bakoraki bagokora. Ekero mwanafunzi oli akoru ali go sangia nebinte biro je twara ko nagokwana n'abarayi bandi bagokwana nababo badi bakwana igiko nakupe ekoleta hangi nyingi trade nyingi towards the government na inji ti support yo Mheshimiwa Poko bunateba Mheshimiwa Ruto needs kuligireria cabinet na obata to twakwanire nabo entaligirerie no guchinja barusio. Yes.
Musika Poko tumatsengo kwana kwenge gole yegunia yo masika tandi atabire.
Tinko manya gunia ronche. What I'm saying gunia tinko nyamanya ya roche because njera te ya mwana mintaro nyo ora bugori ni siwasa ni unya. And actually nyongumerete gangumerete and that is an history. Yes. Karana jete state was nga tuachire kwabirana noru. There was a problem between me and the former president. Ngana mo tebeti nga kunyunya swale. And it was on public domain, but linde na it was in public domain nga tuabiranire. Bono nyonyolete na ndenda tandi maitiri na lia kunya kuegira nande mangana siasa. Esuti kamagoza because esuti na abegete esuti na abegete ne. Kongu dia state of them. Kongu. Ona agarrera nga ikwende. Lakini ende na ande bono onyo na soga tene ngendo ikonere na moet. Ende igine kemo bono.
Bueno, toko kwana igora ya US State House matuko ewike ya tire etukonga tire tuko lia aramis na bali tuko lia chuma. Ababwatani bali bakwegerera serikali teba bali bakwegerera sama ya serikali tane county ya Kisii yomo county ya Nyamira yomo na ingana ya betoroge kwano yomo yabone yoko endesa bali yoko enda State House bondo taradigeli ya State House kwa taraba mbabete bakwereranga igati ya serikali yaberege kwa neki gosi yaberege gukora ase imyaka yebere wase tato umurayibwense abairu musiki William Ruto kulende ebi monyo bindi gosiba libakorigere kuroro bagonika bagotebanga yi ni njira ya moyo gotema go balance siasa ya gusi umusika pongo ngino kwale ngoyo mabese chinse muchia kamera pakiri tulia tulia ramis nabora ngalgo kukirite pichanga ngikiale ngore so musia kuna kama borongo ngikiale ngore amangana manga kwando kulitukere
nonare nande na ikaranse kero kya mutwe nande muntu uri kondigerie TV na bara kora ngapo kuna ikaranse I don't learn away from the truth nga naringo nonare. Number 2, it was a consultative meeting neria ngosoma mariko kuba sigetabu kya oseanye ibungo bitana kamegota ngabantu bane bagusira singijo gotamanya. Now abarayi baitu barakora unechi wipu honorable Soro honorable Chabedi Nyakundi mochumbo kitutu chache no dia se atandi akorwa mheshimiwa one Sairi Chanda no nyatarengo he was there in absence no yo minto women rep Donya Doris na mpunge o machoge chache alifamiruka alafu no mbungo West Mugirango na chitaga cha Steve Mugaka ni women rep ya Nyamira Moske Jerusa they only came gotebye bagusiba kisi county nga ngie government yaratemire gokora. Number 2 egento kiarenga kanene ngerige goteba ngaki for now there is government in place ekora uno Muske William Ruto wenda tumwangete nerure president bago sensitize abantu nga abantu for now kare president yaturabo na indutura akora bintu bibere bitatu ira ne government yewe ka 2027 naro to make judgment. Actually that was the main reason. Then bakaro examples na bono isoma geraswa and we have been voting omagere for 5 times. But yekera shorts as a government tight moves in on it. Also we discuss about it. To whatever ninga for now tigatura mo support irinde because constitutionally a constitution ya Kenya we don't need to beg for development. But one a constitution ya Kenya unchuranire you only beg for development because into about thing chi constitution sinde ndroche bintu gete bikabibere bitatu bigakoro echine nchibwa na bono as much as my brother is here and is interested to be the member of parliament of Kitutu Chache North omwana orichabete kesaso ete weta ibintu bibi abegetun program with the former MP but he has actualized them na bono chiramu chabekiri ari angibere echigenda data bo yokoro obekiro murero na ndo senkende na atandi na ba nonye no monta mwacha lakini abasore batanga mugara muge na haki yake mfanye nini mupe abising that okwanda bo soro ngotara to no soro osoro beke chiramu ari esaga soete okorora when you wait omorero the same abising that nyali bali chachega tindi gotebanga okoba tuarwani tino muindi ngabano muange usemo ruani actually he has tried ya mangano omorero electricity para yera mbono anyigweta nyibegete program jatangaswa bunga president goje koroche
bilioni wetani 50
ngojera koronje ebwate 78 kilometers nyibeta aya kogenda bona asande na bona otoche Kitutu Chache South kwanyora ebintu binde mbiri kogenda bono Kenya yabere ngenje yunga if you don't support the government there's nothing else korubu na kibara ko synthesize abantu ngana bachumbe bali bahande as much as abagusitu atwara interesting antoje to tuara umwana itogoja kubori president using that for now emyake yebere turabara is the government that was the synthesization yaro and that is I know that's what happened in Nyamira iko kenen kiarenge kanene ekenene ninkeringa ki for now the government is in place tonye support turara nyorabi because yaro nanda abana abuna muta na abake bonse bali other than Steve Mugaka abana bonse bimba bwete Steve Mugaka oromone bonse babo soro bimba bwete miyaka patinta gete ko batonga ki okorangiri kwa babantu gogwaje te kote bya bantu turara atika because liberally nene lile siasa and more especially gusi because as much as we can say nganto tageto mumuro itabe president tako president bon ya gaganya baka 2027 iko as a community bono tokoba tied tosibuna atandi nga because atandi yago chikobe president bono tuomo papa totige bintu bindi bitambuke byagenda bagera. It's not possible. We should remain now focus ninga ki abagusi bagoteba ngaki moyo muya orusi wambesere bono no toebereri because the constitution ni atandi uminto na bantu tosomete iyo torani ya Kenya onya na America tangantor ko genda go back go ikaransa no muchumbe ayigende go kurwa is the order of priority bintu tagete bikore kwa ganye government yako kapati Kenya tera ikira system yeyunga ngabono tigo ikaranse ngoganye bintu elimanyinga you must go for them. Are you seeing that? No to minister of education. No matter bintu bindi bitari ko korwa as much as we have the minister of education from here bitari ko korwa usibiko korwa ata places. Ono ga kitango the president did so one was in this arata ba skuru get the guchibesa chia development because chia development I mean sanaka. Are you seeing that? Aya aga se aba iko ba kumupinga teatura boli swali yenu baiko no ba ota bangire sana bangire Ruto anyu wete minister cha bako jari sign you know minister ngeba chirisa baru batano babe inikuru jwe deputy president inki gwa munyora tana ko tebera boronge ngaki tuangire Ruto minister na inu sign am plus PS ba 16. Are you seeing that? Igon to ngain teatura kirak onyu wete teatura kirak osentu anyora kende kutoka nyerede kiende ke chikoroso
musikata ni kwa batire
na bwatira magana ayo tianda kwani genteke the kind of leadership we community ego twara ego depend about the quality of individuals moko beka into leadership. You've had Njiro Mheshimiwa Poka articulate issues ngora up to now Mheshimiwa Poko tabwena tibono montore siko gawo tabu hatikendi tangana bwate gentonere ago isaransa segete obanga nare ngo sukumari bintu beta se community ingi kiagera na kwa na boygo ntegete kwa an example about Kibagendi Mubungo South 2017 ena renge bunge onyonga torangereti onyonga wosu mubunge that time inje na Kibagendi wotorororo onyonga introduces us agato introduces Moses Kuria jena Kibagendi agatebi Moses Kuria umumuroyo mubwato okoboko nabakonye chikura akanga introduce lakini asenga injo Jimmy na kupinga Jimmy abwate issues Jimmy agakani onyonga ngatiga no mumuro kondwa ni arangurekero lakini onyonga asenga njare ngo mubunge na handa abwate nkolengia agasuma onyongo gereta Kibagendi acha kwa wega service of the deputy president from that meeting to arenge bunge oise kurigereria abarai tubwate bono inja did not attend that meeting oise kurigereria you know tiango tebi bomane a problem tubwate usinenda mwa right you only call people at convenience na bato kuranga to discuss development no Mheshimiwa Poka teba which is okay and I've several told you Mheshimiwa Kibagendi to wacha korwani serikali from the day kwa so etebunge mpaka kauru abantu bangwa kana wale tax like ata Kenyans ile barabunga kibakoba you need to be wise so ike serikali yangi onyetenga karanga ebintu onyare go korwo towards the end orwa rori ge binte binga enda mwamunere gusi mwana minto tango te bintu nakwa na boyo musike omingo magara tukomera nege TV station in Nairobi otwakora aliria achorirwe secretary was it a treasurer ya UDA ma secretary treasurer ya UDA abankwa nambale very close bale se president bon pako mobolinga ngwano twalenge na mwalenge na era tandi is our good friend right magara made sure onsaliriye lieta ntegete nkwane ebintu kuri gusi that is why ekerongorora magara batanga ni no bako banga magana matyangi egonkwira na baki na ararigereria you understand ekerong Mheshimiwa Apoko arariara nabwate nkorengi yomanyete na andi narabite diplomatic ngotakarura aswa asigitura weye bintu rigereri ekeno andi twatira ari nyanturago riryo tebyo musike kindi kinga ingalao ngumirane ne president imotebya mangana habira atatu
alinza kinda atari kumwikira kuri saba.
Yes, atari kumwikira. The president took it puya sana na handaga kwashwanga I will tell him onyole appointment yomara. But do you know mbale barenga ali bafiriting agawe ikongo cyane ko beturete bakaenda bakagenga. Bakateba ngomuntu itaikange.
Na era bakari ko siasa gose.
Ina rusiasa rusi. Usi. Nagira tengo ya bwate nkolengia. No wenginga mbagengete. Still wende tiaga isarasa kabategere. Injata nditingo korabo. Nimanyete nga obogengi mbororo kurusi ituga nabara itokoraki tugutwara. What we are saying omwana minto. Nyoni nyasao koire munateba iguru ya Chafet Nyakundi. During the Moi era, kratwara gotera nyayo. Ekaro kibaki achete. Etwaro chenga the world has changed. Singencho kibaki akore. Ekaro Jimmy Arua Chafet yakora. Nero ringi world yache.
Change.
Na incha atandi kunda aje na bira change better. So because of the environment, political environment toro. But again to kioka nda agree with Mheshimiwa masikani hatu tutwara sabara yetu. But we articulate issues toro chinga nechimbe chochitwa chikwana opening and this is wrong. Inko ira nigente katebanga ntubu isiba simatiangi saying in presidential. I agree with him. Because election is 2027. Uroche ndetu ya kurubana paka 2027 tata nga kyoja kusangenga kiyindi. Wana tiganda ikange goikero musikeruto gongo nyolenjera tuhakwana gongo nyora kende na habogolia toko twaletera abantu 2027 we make a decision from there. That is politics of money. Yes.
Mwanju murigalia togana tegosanga no musike Samuel Apoko na bogo musike James Atandi togana kurigalia mangana mono igoro ya siasa. Nsachinde mbale mubwate birengaralinga amangana bagukwana na bara batakogoki era tata kera kogoki onse akogoki na make na ndako geji na yanda mangabo na ya birengarali byabo yakarna banta banne bale studio nande bwato busibole boko sanga ibirengarali byabo kurende gukunyira umwanjo murigarali enamba yesimiere 0726447367 0726447367 kanangarikia go tribolia na bukoleta ya masa yamo na ndirigalia rorero sana lirengeto musike Apoko agotanga gor kwa Alex Nyangwe so kuru South Mugrango agontenga ngwaniri abasikabu na ande mboljo musike Apoko nga chibeza chiaba gotne jindakana nga ichi achi tumaitenga nayo gotoria tuwedeke jo Tumetinga ngiora nyago como contexto chibeza chikale tumaito solo maite chire to jagira kwe karato kendrota.
Actually, what I wanted to say, umwana minto toto ngeringa, umwana mimbi yabori. But inche, tindi, I could not be in a position, and timba the capacity of currently swari. But what I would say, ngeringa government ya delayed for the last 3 months. Tera kana bagotuagu, nechi intakana. It's only we appeal to the government. Ige wakane. And you didn't shortage of funds. Chia very, but make sure wakane because when this government came into place. Judge I get to effective message monthly. Unlike the other teams, chair work on after 3 months. Answer effective monthly. I don't know what happened. Nendo mwana minto na boko ngalao na ande na kwa South Mugrango unga njirenga kerongo soka kurwa osemambia ndiye chibu ibumo woli ngarende chiba shoba tu na ijigara. Ekenar ekende na recommenda ekiata
tara mendo mos ngere na engomenta kana nyeri uganga umura ibenso moske William mutana nyara kabaka ko bekesei umuswada origeti amangana a social welfare ase amonjere nyara kabaka ko rwese anemo no bali bago chikonyora chibeza chia mone chobo gotu ane chobo baraka na chigotanga muna babaraka tali okobo mubaraka tali gento ke koro kinga igono isa ine konyora chibeza ichi wikana bako mubaraka kinga bugata chibeza olengana neli chigelia nyaka baliko ligo etiwa ya wiki no musike William tanga nesi
Timid is like engaki eria kera gende gia chakirite kyo bagatu barota nga muntu ndiba shugate permanent awo torko wes ngai go wenyalite bakurie none chanyu ko wate nyinge turokora ama pinge kera rutaswa giga change ngondi wes yugete 70 ngakwa kujwe digale no mutene ngoro zeki neki na kero kyo nabachumbe turablemu usiturabori wana ndi bare go change nga mubora kondi wese tari ko wese until igo which means nga goika aba no kiara ko tebya nga basitanchi no bakuri kaliro diyetere to the DCC again to the county commissioner then it goes up pakaruro digo jwasa teninga mamu wabatandi I'm sorry timanyi tiaros mamu wabatandi no mubora kare usinare moyo la like me inje timbu atibaibori no yomo onye ngino yore moyo tingumana tatu mwabose moyo bari tindo komo na moboraka tactical there does not work it well because mondo tari wancha abo moboraka and that is inevitable tikakiro moboraka abo tenenge taraki anyole chwese because that one is in Kenya na injekina kinarota na nate bachicho watunga injengo lyando soro osichabe atio yomo because na wari me but having abantu ko complain about that na de moto bigoro yeri chikeri ngaki egende mkra akoronga karma kwa closest na inu mwarengere tio se mwase oseba mwera bakenya bonya how is going to work egendo kende egere omweshimu atande nera ira ni sebe eri swali liacha emonta tebanga nga ngwe mweshimu atande ate abarai bonsi barobisi basikwa allow me to quote from the bible yata kya abarumi communist ekebungeka yego tabase ke usinga bali no kuwa basikwe kuwa konde ngo yo wajira so we kuwenze onye ngora tiramana anyasa iko weta ko cheteruto wata to mwanjeti ko musike because calendar na president go chobo gabana na inje nitwana kuigwa na Simba. I'm very fair I want to be honest but njera teyo lero naika anete to kwana Kristo lero tindiko kwana tindiko rama Simba anete tinda iko murama because nero mugabana engaki ya engo ikere then I deal with him as a constitutional iko ko ikasi kunero mugabana ko chomo senator no yomu ka to wata kisi county ugor konyonga wo ikasi no mo women rep to wata no yomu ugor kudonya Doris wo ikasi asi no mo chumbe sinkurwa yagor kusairi chanda because abantu na tonya ko tebanga no muhindi ni ekera tu arigwa kero chupura abantu mpamete no muhindi yake nebichana ona yale iko wikasi no mo MC ona sinkurwe ward yane sina gamba yagor ku ward wo ikamusiki na abantu bande ba musiki because na roro mo MC but what I want to say on that comment egera no musika tandi nera comment la mangana ya social welfare na bintu bina da ne kengo kwa nera comment we are happy abasungu bako tebanga we differ in principle but we meant to be friends my brother ga that matoi wanane in ideologies but we can't get cover my brother na ndo mo usiomindo that is has happened now intege ko tebanga barai bande bagambire and you allow me to mention that bago tumeka batari ko above board umuntu ogambire obo kansura kabiri ogambire obo MC elimu oyino murai enjireria kerari ngo mukansura enjireria keraro ara konyaro mu MC torinere atakirasi kwe nera atakirasi ka bande bari I'm not happy with the responses and the utterances ja my brother Mulef ekera ko ramo mu women rebunyamira oga mo mu women rebokisi oga ora mo mu chumbo kitutu chache not ora mo mu chumbo south mu granga chibu it's not fair it's not fair orino murayo bere in office we got what I'm asking ona garanga nonsense then that is another time
abalende musike poke bago chwata yeseri chikolitri ya midenga akaramule fata ya ole egerere wanu nindo to kumwegera
I'm sorry I would throw that I don't want to mention the name but what I want to say ekero tutari kuigwana like me as I stand from here from the studio I don't support a PDA mheshimiwa Matiang'i I'm currently supporting the current president until 2027 from there I make a judgment whether I proceed to vote Ruto in or I change the side but for now I'm supporting William Ruto ekero tutari kuigwana atandi onyukare go support the PD yoyo minto Matiang'i it does not mean ngamono atandi acha konda why Why? We should change the trend ya politics jeri akisi. And if we want to tebaninga to baba gusiamo, we must change that trend. Na handa kwa nyarumura yoyo igari ne bimushi bisinini Inta den so amana ande ke bungu kende ke korwa sa kitabu ya Samuel yeri tangani. Igego tebanga there is power in a name. There is power in a name. Ekerot atandi aguteno tebanga inchen koroku embori emuhamu. You should think why it comes with that name buri emwa. That's power in a name. Kwa nyarumura yo na tene ne monto binde bi kweroka inchene ne embori osine ne ngondi. If it is power in a name, then you should know ngomonto yeri teria koroka no net box tekorotik teribuya. Then you are self keroro abasongo bago tanga tell me your friends, then I will tell you aka. Okay. Then even that friend of mine your leader is also the character reflects what the group he has. Igonta get korwa the 19 get ko advice abantu baidonga. If we omogusito tagete go chamo. Egere toigwana ne. Ababare siko watara support ye pidiore ligenjero okuba ebereri bache lakini tari asoko barama.
Yeah, you're right.
Because the constitution geto monto libaga freedom of expression and freedom of association. Yes. Onya atandi baita no toto to expect ya boko nera baita na no toto. Yeah, no. You develop the friends. I think kina ko kwarera tinko manya my brother ke era kwarera then you change another topic then we proceed.
Thank you. Tianda cha kire gente ke yogo sikabarai. If tutagete tosikematiangi une presidential candidate, we should avoid abusing the president. If we want to respect either parties, na handed without go abuse na matiangi. That's the fair game in politics. Omuheshimiwa buna atebire. Maambia lero na yorobishi.
Yes.
Isikole nkora mura abandi. Maambia yora sobisi yura feel. Mbuya barai bari into office bakoreki basikwe. Ba criticize constructively. Barusia magoso sale constructively lakini basike. Again tunale kukwanu mwana minto mheshimiwa poke eresire buya sana. Abarai baitu gusi n'abantu baitu enchira tole. I really admire mheshimiwa Onyonga. Last time I got na lenga na kwanita mangani go Onyonga. Among you remember. And even some places in Kogenda. Onyonga is not a kind of a leader or colleague to juniors. Obochaka koba minyokia. He will talk to you. So recently, Kartuala was share about these things. He told me at hand, you know, na kobwate talk about going to politics, and you have a long journey to go, right? Sukie binto igaya, bisukie njireji. Taje tiko ngoko ndama kusugo ntreten na nkondo asenge jona mukwane tepope. He spoke to me. And that's a leader you must respect. Injirawe conduct, ninjirawe kwane binto. You have no option, you must respect that leader. Ige binto bitu kukwana, muno mheshimiwa uminta poka tebire ngano hale so mheshimiwa Ruto. I want to tell you, Mheshimiwa Ruto has been a good friend of mine since 2012, up to now. And I can tell you we even talk. But just saying into convenience here, politics, na inchi nkuliginde. Inchi nkuliginde gendo. Onywande na nyorire gendo tangatindi kuligia. Ikobono goikanso esimatiangi bono ndiyo bochumbe. Ikiara na inchi ngwerwanira, lakini tinkora mi president. Tinko gendo mukutano nchiko koraki, nchiko murama. Ikonda so estimu na inchi ndanyole ticket, na inchi ndanyole support yende, na inchi ndikoraki. Indi yekero wokyo bochumbe. That does not mean mumwano minta poke karto komera na tokuramana ngorora poko mukutano na murama. No, that is wrong. Yes.
Tandi natin in 2027 and nga support ya so governor no president. Na kurwa sa account ningia kwanyira bantu ba sense na bogotutu north. Mbeya mwana tumaze sono maiton songo yuko
tigangina ndio songo nimo manyiti number 1 nkuri yino bochumbe nande go nkuri ya kure ticket yo Mheshimiwa Matiang'i to be very clear that way number 2 kuruna ga soete county tigamwira ni riswali eli ena soete count to the tail end ya leadership yomo wako ngwai ekera go chigo soka 2022 I had nothing njera china rego konya bantu baitu ekera na so I was campaigning for Obure as a governor so ekera na campaign for Obure as a governor you didn't expect Mheshimiwa Arati achichambe kingabera gabono usukie binta tinanyo that chance yogo konya bantu baitu that is why now intagete kuruongira no bunge sindanyole chinguru cyogo konya bantu baitu na mwere
to kandata tumagora ngo cheso musike ya poko oya gotabanga akorokunga TLN Nyakundi agotabanga mboriri umusike ya poko na atandinga umuwasiri na tabetenga ngo keani ali chibe gose chirate gati skuru chibe issue dese bali babwate chi parents certificate nje bali tende skuru ngakigende gije kayara karabanda bali kanyara certificate yu skuru.
No, thank you. Again, tonda iraneli, Mheshimiwa mnarwete decree hiyo, it still stands. What he needs to do, ntobo samwe teachers bali craft. Okogendo roba go sungusha se. Onyoro chire any institution. Okani ungatari ko certificate. Tigate the name of the institution, elinde we make a follow up to the waziri. Ayo wa masakara.
Principal ba accountable.
Aba accountable. Tianda iraneli ntokalia social kwale koboli. Omwana oyo minto kwana ko South Mugrango let him go and check go sell yetali yaendera mangi the beneficiaries bali babwenda kwa webintebi tigara cha kera kurwo because naboraga nyechibe so sanki kliendo kengi yetali yao ndiyo. Number 2, I want to appeal to our chiefs and assistant chiefs. They must stop corruption. There are guidelines and procedures you identify abantu babwenda kwa kuchiwesechi. Don't use it as a way yokoratenga karanga 500 karanga 1000 karanga into kitemana gukobekaga usiwa chikobeka abantu batabwenere tiko gwibintebi watiga abantu babwente ko konywe isiko because information ya call from the grassroots nere gutumeka iguraria so we must focus isanga information ki abantu ababarwa nere the correct information so let him go back again that check usilitali ya ndroro a confirm from the sub chief ago sangi ndroro then he can make a follow up no Mheshimiwa Poka kwana na kwana no Soro na Nyakundi and never follow about the issue. Yes.
Musika poko ke certificate munaro body gore certificate nga muwasiri gatanga certificate ni kobwa TV balance na bokanda go certificate go school okoranga no ya mo bonza chinde serie ta korunga TLNs Nyakundi agotanga certificate yicho okoranga nchikali gotoka ku school.
Me I've done one. Ekero nyeruka yane yare ko genda MTC eriba choru mutinyu gatatu coincident ni umwana umumuro nde oronga ke gorkiane nero mwana ya gachoru era kairu MTC ga yo na kairu mape oko ani anchu akorete ko anchu galas oko genda mbure yare gotango ko original aite siri we original ose original certificate akanyara tabwati kiraenda atigareti almost 6000 akaire ni twice ekero mumuro ya antebia ngamatebinga enamba ye principal I called and they compare witness with what my brother Tanda said nga principal jire chinde very craft na agree the principal ya antebinga tabimo muguri ya kuya
Yes.
Certificate and he was given one akabad meeting. What I'm saying, the director of the ministry remains the same. Omano yo minto na teba executive idea saben din tuma itio so tiena Nyakundi nga yagro sin tutu cha janut atandi no ara ngamo tebi school yari ni certificate. Secondly, ya to mo advice nga kara chire principal ya ngire ya ngenda to the ministry of education.
Yes.
Akwa ne director ya education.
Yes.
Immediately mo alimo yara ka nyoro bako. And thirdly, ya to the politicians. And we know how to deal with it with that.
TLN Nyakundi tatabete sa korukoru taratabe sa korukoru
I think we are one side
lakini mwamwere na libo lilia nyala kabaga ko Rebecca Gocha nara uli kuboli goroje para korukuwa nga agotebango umusike Samuel Apoko please can you tell us how this road stopped Nyagutanyandere Maliondo Ngataraja Virongo. Now the MP is not talking about it but about other roads. What do you know about this road?
Okay. The former MP Mheshimiwa Richard Nyakatongi started the road from Liariga Uturumbuka Echenyaguta all the way to Amariba, then it goes to Nyabisabo, then it goes to Kegati. The near Liariga and they go to Nyaturu, what it goes to Kavirongo, and again the Chirichiro, and again the Virongo shopping centers. Change of government. Even don't go change it. And Timani what happened there, that ever. Patiakaron Kubori Mushimiwa, he has followed it up. One again, I want to confirm inche ekin wait because that's what Mushimiwa even in to Kora one and I'm marketing me more. He has told me a party I captured and they have meant to some additional kilometers. The Barabara is going to continue from Matangamano, Echenyaguta. Then he goes around to Kegati. Goes around to my place, Buanabugeka and Nyabsabo, and again Mariba, and again the Buatanya Buto. Near Woy and there Wabunya Turbo, Anikuari Ariga, again Yaturo, again Davenu, nay and there Wawu and again the Chirichiro, nay and again the Virungo. That's what Mushmas told me. He got Nande and the Garatuar and Galia Camera Park, no Yamushmatarengo. Osoro Mushmu Osoro South Magrango and the Chibu confirmed dinga a para ya Nyariwari charge. We got 78 kilometers and I'm happy that I'm talking to the person who was also there. He's going to start no Montoja Conyaronch, the president himself. Ekina Kurani Jumonaki. Nande and take the Vaiga, Nejin Yani para yevete te cha caboniga yera. Sairia tika Kubika Macartas. Tairore. Ebe te cha kayera na diga kubeka makaratasi yo korigo bochuni. Lakini para nego chaka. Sairi ga wata chinguruje na jo kubeka makaratasi na ndaira za banyali bana bintu bindako. At the bottom writing Keringaki, he has confirmed to us and to the community and to the constituency at large in Parango Korerik Gochaki.
Edile personal Gochas oli kubolinga eroga tembe njendo Rogers uliza Mheshimiwa Apoko kama ako UPA ama UDA. Sababu nilimuona Nyanturako kwa mkutano ya UDA na uliulisia kura kwa UPA.
Nilikuwa UPA. Ngabuji kura. You cannot be stagnant. And politics changes each and every time. Mote ibono iga yongo support Kenya kwanza. I'm not talking about the party. I'm only talking at the current government.
Broad-based.
A broad-based. You want a broad-based? A year broad-based ye yonzi. No nya UPA ina buranya nyorero because onya rairo ole broad-based. Abantu bose bazi miyo bare broad-based. When you wait, I'm happy that Mheshimiwa Atandi he has spoken very well nga nkoriero bachumbe bwa Kitutu Chache North nando namusabira from the word go namusabira nando bakeka nakoro gusaba. Yes. Nando tebiri akuburi kurwa molengo matiya. I want to confirm abantu bamindu as by now ntareka 2027 I'm supporting the current government. Nando nabira nyara kana nchikobori chikura with that current government. What kero go kenendari kero gyo kantari no president no government. Ebinde byonse amuleje to contest. Onyi we na ande tikante bya bantu baminto iga bantu mba baza kwebise simati yange abatagete banyole kero I'm advising my brother here in China oni we komanya yeah. Number 2 in China I can confirm abantu baminta na ande na abane baro bairete bo na bori tikura na independent in Kaira. Ondi abantu bari kurigire pati tanga tingore tingire iga it is just a time abantu bakurigire ringa what type of the leader we want in that particular position. Igo na abantu mwensi pi muregusi bari mongo support Mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i. Timwe bisonga mukage muchi konyora muri kero go nkeyo muchi konyora onyaba kusiba gwakera Matiang'i bagimwakera sani ndibicho iguraria nsago bantu bagochuchu paka nona abandi baro bagochogocha chapati chie chinkoko are you using that iga bantu mwe bajeto motige and that's one thing ntage na konyone ebire na cha kotabegoro ya maskani I'm extremely happy no mochumbo kitutu chaje south ogoro kwanto nikibagandi asa matanga abete umachogari ekero umwana ndagote nakura mo mochumbo nyari bachacho manene I'm not a sycophant of Mheshimiwa Said Chan but yongo soma mariko no muntu takete kogenda iguru ngabari no kuwa basiku abantu barobisi bakorenga basiku into abanyari ba no tu aringe kero Said ya inja was in the ballot nande naringa number 8 as a ballot go ikaiga the candidates were 12 Said garingo sen number bakamurigiria taringa number 1 iguru aringa bakamochora nande he won with a lot of votes bagatiga poko njenga nasimu onyene gasi people have already tested me from Kyogorunga na Kordega but they never looked at it bagachora Said tigasi akamuraka naka sinini katara rusinone chaburi igana bagusiba goteba akuga kumurama aria samatanga na ada ari constituency yae I was extremely happy kero Mheshimiwa Anthony Kibagandi atena agoteba we are going to disconnect some of the supporters baito onye mogo chikongenda kurama ba abantu ba office iga amwa ekikero kyo esikibagandi are na amote birimbi yamono and if abantu batagetia abantu babahamo rende bairane ese timu ya Matiang'i amasikani go ikarokana lakini onye mogo tige bisimbe bibiko nyakurama abantu igotogo sari chikura Jones pichi ya Matiang'i chisareke because abantu abanene bago kana sabatangaki onye mogo tige bisibi kurama abantu bikurama abantu rende ngaitogochi onye mogo sitota tekobamo we kama sikani yakore
sikani yabo musikatandi akarotogo chukorerani ntobugate obachori bocho gukoreka gusi chiwodi satu chinsa machia manamone county ya Nyamira kine kama kiabo muna ekemge APC kya takoge kobeku wodi ya Nyansiongo wodi ya Nyamaijana bage wodi ya Ekerenyo ara ntobugate ekerengerengeriya tikol kuruso mo konyi mo speaker we county ya Kisumu muskeja ko bagaka okobolinga ebunge ya babasi na yama yabere na moneta kere ko bagwa ani gaita karanga lingenya ko ko ne bunge ya Kitu Masaba nkale Masaba tima tinga karanga kyongereki igoro ya mangana muna bono IPC asoiro obisi nchire kibwende ku yaregani igakora IPC na rego cha kubalire baka 2027 nti mo expected ku rese IPC mnanya ta kubage ko choro.
Thank you. Kwanza tianda peka shinguru gento Mheshimiwa Poka kwanire mundu tayo gutumia lieta lya Matiang'i kuligichikura ngabona choro nga because yali na Matiang'i. Number 2 wese kuligereria the kind of politics yali genderete tasna kwa na tebanga ni intenene ene niyo malengo yo Matiang'i. I don't want to participate kurama abantu bandi wichikuliringereria abantu bakanda muno yujite kurama mu bungiro gorogaiga umwana umusini ni goteno urama you know there is this politics of excitement karogwa kurochinga kwanyolega platform gake wo wakirubo nkobi bosinini kichwe inaribika kwa maana gusangiwa chagira okoraki kweba nga should anything happen tomorrow wali yokurama ba okoraki ba okubwata okoboko we want to call politics here mature the reason why I'm saying we can't no mulengo Matiang'i Kenya kwanza tingo agu ticket eyibono eri kurunge sabu ya politics Mheshimiwa Pogo na tenenete independent yakagu chiko nyasa urenge naye nabantu bagawanja and in any case ugakolega asingi ya assembly because when you people when you are here you kursinga aba msimbaleki bali so tigatulgi chikura as individuals not corride behind abantu bande bakoletega siabo twachaka kurama abantu twaranga ntu chikura it's not going to happen again take wakwa na IBC of course abantu bachagiru kwa na mangana manga about IBC ne referee IBC dele gocha kuligiri chikura na hayo kuligi chikura
barwe wacha kobara na koralia
bawacha kobara barali babusa ba masakara baligereri babekega amangana emebaga kwaroli there is a constitution timeline yoko kole bintebi I think ya etri bono ndrugo kwa na those things now etokuganya after elections ya 2027 lakini binde bya nyamira gwatebe chikure echo ondo tagete tigachi chororo IBC nduriko chagotaka ngaoyo tachorire buya utachor no umushimwe apoka atebanga chanda garenga asigete nsa
arenga sona baisa sona bainye
ba mochorete kurwa IBC ge kubara chikura anderari ekento nataka insist gaiga you know a culture that we are in this country just because other in government you go out as thieves. And when you are there, you are a thief, you defend yourself. We must stop these things. This is hypocrisy. It's not a must thing a government of the day government. It's wrong. It is because opportunity that is why and I'm happy. I'm happy again to chances back to the United States of America. They told him Gachagua, don't be a tribal leader. Be a national leader. To take countries to a kirbonoiga to harigiri issues to country.
Director na ndenga mbwaji da kaibere.
Yeah.
Monda.
Mokani.
Kama
ntura. Yana moto etura ganye. Moto because ntura kwane county ero ngitwanye tigere tu akwa national tu
county ntura kwane. So what I'm saying, you see the way agencies were raise issues in America. I agree. It's not you support Matiang, it's supportive into Gachawa. No, I can't do that. What I'm saying is to call politics here in Irabeke country ito, as Omorembo toka, because we the post-election violence and going forward to Aruro. To a change injira to coalition injira to kole binto is different. The to be como kyoito asoko build our country. Ekina kinda tebya bana inchi baito. Even these chances were aggrieved bona yago tebanga we want kogenda maandamano. They must know that their grandfathers and their ancestors fought for this country ko yebeka siri. That's why they are enjoying the liberty and the freedom of what there are people who suffered. Na bachicha bachi go destroy your country. Yes.
Musika poko na majigunga na boto kugenda umutumo kwa makaigo twirane tokole ekionga chinsanya makwero tokole rana jidaika chi emerongevere chi chire mutu.
But what I want to say before you go, because I've seen is 52 and more at the 10, what I'm saying, I'm not about my brother here. But what I want to tell you, ekebungo naso magio senye kebungo bitana kama abantu bana bagusira senye jugo tama then bagako yi that's in the constitution IBC motion de yaso o e constitution yengo tabanga tanga boundaries delineation ya akora tu samozo 1 year ago back but he doesn't understand, and that's why we are seeing Kisii County is in narrows. Because about MC Baron, but standing on a Siriga. Because Tamani IBC motion the arrows and we have 2 years to elections. There's no way Barakoramangana pound at least. It cannot work. I want you to cover after 2027. What I'm saying, IBC got only a benefit of doubt that is going to do free, fair, and transparent elections. Then we go to Nyamira by election. In Jetindo Chieki Ekitong Yaganyet. Tangaside, Otangasi elections, church by election, Nyamira. Because you're already on an induction, Raja. They were in South Africa for induction, they are back in Kenya, and I count on Syria and Kenya, but to Woba, they are there up to the task to make sure that they have done free and fair elections. Then Tangas by elections, because they are going to it takes another 60 days to mark by election. Are you seeing that? Unless there's no budget. Na radi nero kotebanga e budget ya IPC nenke amen to almost 6 billion on top. Padi na bwato munu motambe agamokani nga no way. No way. But you see now the members of parliament are there. They will do the supplementary. Mama mentor chibesage. Even in a chigareta because by election 20 is no joke. To what by election chaba punge atan. Chaba MCA 15. Why should we wait? Kwanza Joe Mosene toya mwana korda nero ya baringo. Mono lende into no sabanga IPC no ere in place tigechake mirimo yabo nonye mbono abantu bande baumire sana especially abanyamaiya na banyasyo because konya mbabwati omo MC muchi aba ekerenyo para mushonde omumururi abete speaker wono era uchi mushonde konya ni bwato mo MC because we are appealing
mbwango igamuno mbwango iganya ko ikora
konya ni konya mo MC ori orengo na korete gnaro abantu baumire mono na banyamaiya na bata places ase chindechi chitanga chikona kutorusa ngai PC as speakers possibilitangas nekene nara goteba ngatoko ira na my brother to acquire nationally but also we will have told you will have given me time no mwana minto time to explaining as much as we are saying aba kusina we are focused we should work with numbers also na abantu togodina babango wa munyoro they are giving us sanctions he was in America Sacramento agoteba nga kila mtu aenda tafute bukura kaka akuleta kwa mesa mwenye ako na bukura mingi ndiye atapewa kwa presidential candidate you see that is giving us a threat which means that our brother does not have a chance
Oikerabo mwanjo mulige toka numutemo komo keigo tonyore kionga chinsenya sinchira iyo bwenge kegima tomwaikora na tokodre ntora kwanre ure county ya Kisii ntora kwanre ure county ya Nyamira na yandali ande mwanjo mulige lunyara kama nganye kobwate karengera rikende na bakugenda gutuma cyujumbe cyawo gochagaga 0726447367 toka numutemo komo keigo tokoirana do so ekionga chinsa inye korwa butogendere nengwana gose togendere negekaro rinde tunya ko batokogendera konyora obasemi korwa se sike abuko na boigo omosike atandi bato tikocha
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide iri kubwatoka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyenseriga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seyeka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabondo mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabatinu boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wekabunuraganie wochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi, kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Pege mwanju muligera chinza ni nya chia bana maragobe kene kionga chinza nya senchira yobwe kiranu cheni ngoro kwaro ni toto nyangiri otokubata na kwanza mimenyerio nigakorwa Wilson Makoli na kionga chinza nya mwanju muligera toko cha kurwa se chinsa mo chenya chenge yogotoka sababa osiche se bunge ya basi atokona abamenyi bensema yo yanya chenge nyamache nigabasokirie na korkia obwo bwabo igoro yokobao nengiti eyu yaberege kolya chisese ase chinsemecho bagokwana na baliki bamangana nigo banyako bagotanga gwikira bono iga chisese gwetani 15 nigo chiabere chigokwa chinjira cyo bututukanu bona gotumunye mulikito kiripati kopi
bamenyi bense mu Nyagatare sublocation ya Nyachenge imenya machi bobasi ni gobenyorira so muchano munene magega yekebengi getabanyekanetie wochita na boyi gogo chitigera chingoma chinene chisese chiabo asorogongorwo
buna toli igantoli no bwobo bonene sana yakogerege munyama nuru gutara butuko ntuma etingana kiokororekana yakogero itire chiu chisese binyoroga iga esese gusine ya gatano ya itiro kentige gocha butuko kiacha kia ita chisese kianywa amanyinga kiari nenkoro bono twatwaliro bwobo bonene kenyoreke tumanye tinga na abantu gegocha goita bono next no na abantu babo ire kugenda mugondo gotora no ni cha kekugera ndo kumanyase kemenyete abantu bari kugenda mugondo no mbutuko no umwana gutuma umwana gutuko yabeiro bwoba
abamenyi bense mejo nigo boyigo bakweresera ugusaga no konya ko bagoko baro okuko ireire umubaro bw'ekisese gwetani 15 cyanya ko bacigo saganwa nabo yigo goitwa chingoro cyabo kurusigwa nabo yigo amani yabo kurusigwa kurase mibere yabo ryo kisese cyogotigwa kireire ase chimpara nabo yigo chinsana ao
atokonye esababu chisese go chikulie guchinene chioka nande chikulie gugoikeraga uchege kuba go chigoro bono bune yege ege taboire gaiga ekalie gwe bigotia neli nindidiere ensalia lakini ege ogokuminarre enkoro no ensalia ege nteke giatarete iro bwoba bunanche ntukete chinchoke kasembo tukonkoli chinchoke ndakenyora onye kindense kiarenge njara tikendi eti igo nasabira serikali gagimotokonye esese elia itumo inogaria osobia elia anyorwe cha imetuoni elia arenge mbaliri naranyeligirie mbolete
obwoba gento ngero giatokire gekoria chisese gekochibwata kiachirie bochinza chia botuko kiarusia amanyinga kianyu kiarusia ngoro kiari bono tobwatanga konye gegokorera chisese igona kikeranyore mwanya bantu ngebatige kinkera abanyora ngebatige kogera negento korage karatari
ya benadi asiyarusia tigwe karetu gacha kurie rugaiga igerire enyura amanyinga no yere ensaiga bone gendeke giatoira obwoba baki ndori gotora chai tuoboire nono gochikorigi chingo tokwanda rusano chikorigingo esengencho no kegutara
bono nigo bamenyerete obwobo bonene ebiro batamanyetie kerengo kyubobe ekibengie kyo kego chikunyara kuba gekobeka nyuma ye ekibengie kyo goitwa goseko bwatwa
bono twari gusaba gaki onye mode ne chinguru chokorigia egendeke mokenyore nturakimanyana kiakororoka na esengencho ntunturakerora lakini egento toroche ne chisese buna chirire muna chikorusi guchinkoro na amanyinga anywewe baki mwari wanja moche motorigerie gendeke motokonye na turanyora obosibore esingenjo nabo turarara enjara tutachieti kwang'eni asai tutachieti gotenya
obisa boborendi bwechingiri choro sana yani Kenya Wildlife Service nigo baenekirie buna ekibengie ekyo nekiamwabo echuina nigo abaganirie abamenyi bense imejo kuba Maison na bateba buna lituko lya Jumaine nali bagochunya ko bagocha erikukorora gosembaga itekebengie ekyo gosego kebwata na okirania ase chinsemo chinsana chiabo ngori boterega tembe TV kurwa sensemo ya Nyachenge ime yabo basi akaunti ya Kisia Maritane nje Gilbert
Muligererio kubolia niko kwarurwe buna egosoli ya scrapo enyare gosirwa na kogosoli gwanonya na atechisukuru gosori yue gokonya ase okumanya kulika amalieta ao nigo ya gosoli gwa asa mabagane mo ime yo mocho bosongo na nigo okubolio kukomentire buna enyare kobage gosirwa na boigo eserikali kobeka okoboko kwaye ase egosoli yo
Chenkoro Nelson Monyoro igombo ka scrap kurwa se scrap yokurwa ibeno scrap crab lero nigo twarenge gwaka ekemwe kwa national tournament yarenge ufanisi gaiga njeno yomo asa abantu bagwaka scrap kurusiga iga naende naranyoreche trophy aso gwako scrap nege mwengia niga gotosomige sombo scrap ene taito monta some kiasi otatristionyale kuri kege songo naende tobe very keen as spellings scrap ya tokonyere twatalire Kenya sana to interactive n'abantu abangaini mona be country yeye yakugara ni intelligence yego tumeka bono twagokire sana seri tukuria lero twakire sana I wanna nanyore position yengi ya sana naende nigo tutaite toegeria bana scrap ye mpaka tonyire none school.
I'm hoping, as I said, mcheza kwa ufutwa Opera Stars will try to do something today. A lot of money is being wasted there, 600 million, which they are poor. They are playing today. Let's see whether they'll be able to do something. Let's support them. Otherwise, thank you very much. It's always a pleasure. This is a fantastic thing. By all standards. So, I don't know where the next tournament is, but trust me.
Konyi bomurai bwense musike professor Kithure Kindiki nigabolria barai kolenda hamangana kubwa semeno yabo kaukwana se kansa ya Kabaretonjo ime county ya Baringo. Kindiki nigate babuna nigo egati ya barai babere bakobwatoka amangana gusechingwana jitalingia na jitali chiokogokia.
Watu wengi hawafikirii male mambo ile maneno wanatoa iko na umuhimu gani. Naongea alafu unafikiria baadaye, badala ya kufikiria kabla ya kuongea. So tumesoma somo kubwa, mimi binafsi nimesaidika, and I thank God I came today to AIC Kabaretonjo because this message, hii message ambayo tumehubiriwa is my message kama kiongozi. This is my message as a leader. I must be careful. Kwa sababu kuongea sana unaweza hata pigiwa makofi, lakini baadaye wakati watu wafikirie ulikuwa unasema nini, unakuta kwamba umetia hasara kwa jamii ama hasara kwa taifa. So I just want to ask all of us to pray for our country, to stand together, to support our government, and pray that going forward our country will be peaceful and our country will remain united.
Mwanchu muligero nigo musike Kindiki amentabuna nigo araje kugendera nemerube yayo gusira abantu nebyombe ime yense murobulyo empowerment uyobeire gukoragwa hano musike Kindiki nigo beire kumachigwa negati yabamereria ba serikali.
Hii mambo ya empowerment, mimi naona watu wengine wanaongea huko nje kwa sababu hawajui maana ya kusimama na wanabiashara wadogo huko mashinani. Na wacha niseme hivi, hii mchango ambao tunatoa pesa kidogo kidogo sio pesa pekee. Kuna program ya serikali ambaye sasa tunaanza mwaka huu inaitwa Nyota, ya kusaidia biashara ndogo ndogo haswa za vijana. Kila wodi tutatafuta biashara ndogo ndogo, biashara 70, na kila biashara ya hizo 70 kwa kila wodi sipate shilingi 50,000 ya kupanua biashara yao. Na ni biashara ndogo ndogo, biashara ya mama mboga, biashara ya kinyozi, biashara ya saloon, biashara ya mkokoteni, biashara ya bodaboda, kwa sababu sisi tunaamini ukiinua watu mashinani, hiyo ndio bottom up ya ukweli. Lakini tukingojea hiyo program ya Nyota ya pesa ya serikali, iko makosa gani sisi viongozi kukuja hapa na kutoa pesa kidogo
Bwe punganane musike masike wetangura ni garuro koboli buna omurai bwense musike William Samoei Ruto aigwe libaga ne chingaki agendere gokorera abakenya magendero kaukwana litukulia lero chingaki ikarana ase emisa imeye kanisa ya St Paul Pendet Catholic parish ya Kobel diocese ya Kerisho wetangura nigo era ekirete serikali ya Prodibest ekaba gekorosigwa.
Rais wetu pia
katika mikakati ya kuunganisha wa Kenya. Mnakumbuka wakati ule tuliyumba, nilitakana kuwa hapa, inji ikaanza kushake. Tukaketi kama viongozi tukasema sisi tulibishana na huyu mzee Raila, lakini haikuwa uadui. Rais Ruto 2007 alikuwa ODM na Raila. Kweli rongo? Hata nyinyi mkamuita Arab Mibei. 2013 mimi nilikuwa na Raila katika CORD. 2017 nilikuwa na yeye katika NASA. 2022 mimi nikaonea mbali, nikasema hapana, hii serikali naona nikiungana na William tunaweza kushinda. Na kutoka kule kwetu sisi ndio tuliangushia William Ratili ya kura. Kama hatungeingia mambo ingekuwa vingine, kwa sababu walikuwa wamevamia watu wazito. Lakini sasa tumekuja pamoja, kura si uadui, kura ni mabishano. Sasa tujenge nchi yetu. Raila ako broad based, ameleta watu wake.
Mwancho muligarili timu ya Kenya Harambee Stars niyo yachaka mambirani ya chani n'obubwi atanya kabage ko yikora timu ya DRC Congo chigo egoria mwasiri na aliesagero ase kostoria nyakabage kwani kiwa asegeti kiamo International Center Kasarani egorio ni ganyara kabage kobekwa amohono mugosori giata Austin Odhiambo uyo bandu bakuruka na Rolls Royce.
The Rolls Royce gets the ball perfectly well, steps 1 and 2 and lays it perfectly past the keeper. A good run from Sakwa, collected by Odhiambo Rolls Royce, and struck into the back of the net. The Kenyans can afford to celebrate, and for DRC, they had actually packed the game perfectly well, but finally it was a Rolls Royce that broke their hearts here. Kenya 1, DRC 0.
Mwancho muligarili egeikaro nigo kegendrete na nigo tokwa no mutimo komoge tokera no tanya kubato kugendera nigo tole no musike Samuel Apoko na boigo musike James Atande asansamo yo mwelike gima egeikaro mogoroba leko totko chali gwero tolesege kagetali egetambe.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo engale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate time tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati ali aye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green obutambe bwe mabatiga nigo bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate ibintu bindi bwigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika kinga cyo gwakeranya mabatiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na bwigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex niyo muchuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom bwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe traseti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'omugusi negukinya omugusi ase enengo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase chinsemo buno savings loans obosemye bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali chinse chimaiko ase wa Kenya pamoja sako yabere ogusira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikampani ao abarikire abaritayire gosibali ensemo ya pension boyko abonchereria ibotani na Kenya pamoja sako iyo nyore obukoreri ubuya ase chinsemo buna obosemigoro y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon buna development loans school fees loans emergency loans ebyumbe business loans salaried loans na boygochi advance loans boygon korantora muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo wa Kenya pamoja sako iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange batarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusongo kahawa house raja moja asipara ya kisi sotik siba kiresi miasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototare website yetu www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa Isako Mwenga CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sako. Sako ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia isoko chora wa Kenya Pamoja Sako kune financial institution yao tobwate chibranchi chito ikomena chire within usi wanaintu tora nogo konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase sako na gosegwa ase sake ese wali batala join please njubwango mo join tukini esako yeto bagusi yeto esa magendo wa Kenya Pamoja you our concern.
Hazan Mega Wholesalers asentundende nande nigo yire nirebuya nande biyemono asentundiye nigo egokoneria ebintu aserigori erianse kegema asetauniga ya Busongo koni bare ebintu asensemo ya electronics electricals chibirika chibasi chiestima chiufa TV tabletop cookers microwave dispenser blender radio chichararani blow dry socket cable bulb bulb holder heater nebinde ebinge phone accessories na charger USB cables earphones wireless ports nechisime asensemo ya household nkoni bari chisane thermos ebikombe ebirogo chibesin nebinde ebinge asensemeria cosmetics koni bari body lotion spray air food make up Pep Kids chisabuni nebinde ebenge koni bare chisoda nechi juice asansemo elia yadwa koni bare chi power saw chi generator chi piano ne chi amplifier chi mixer public address systems chi nyange chi solar panel nebo igo asansemeli ya stationary koni bare chi geometrical set irangi jebi koroto chi karam chi calculator chi rubber ne chi toy semoyende nkoni bali tissue papers chisavet chidapa sanitary towels ne chi toothpaste karutari kwiba chi toothbrush boygo nkoni bali chi fridge ajirira unyare kwigurira ebintu biga aserigoririanse Hazan Wholesalers nigo egokora free delivery osinige okoratira ebintu gurite asolsao wika asure asorgongo rwonsi rwa Nyanza nige gotoka ase enyumba ya Gisambo Building ange na Smart Lady aigasi roundabout ya Busongo asa mange kwana na director o Hazan Wholesalers ase ogo kairigori na mabori ande amange oratware sin number 0722 237187.
Semo ya kabere ne yo mwali yege karo litukulia nigotogenderete kukwana aya masemo na umuske Samuel Apoko umwamsi omukoro bwe wodi ya Kiogoro na boigo oyo ligete karo Kyobo Jumbe ase ebunge ya Nyaribari chache na boigo mwanjo muligereri omwaske HMC Atandi oyo boigo ligete karo Kyobo Jumbe ase ebunge ya Kitutu chache north asinza mega ya kabere karo twengana mutemuko kanya omwaske Samuel Apoko okwanire uri chinamba onaga nto chakere na kwanire uri chinamba nga abagusitwa chakere ko mwachwa magenanga chinamba tubwata njisa ine byayigo tumaitiara nyare ko baka ko erera bya kimangia minute ndo tinyaga watoko chakera bonse mega ya kabere musika Apoko
yamano yo minto Aaron ekitwara gukwana ngeringa abagusi batebere bono weka twake chikura samu naso yo minto Fred nje napo kutindiko kana
nasa Fred parto nyore muske maraga na era ngonya gutarare na era na
obe na maraga no ari lakini nje tindi asibono iga chiare kwa kubona nare kumwake ekinara goteba ngeringa as much as utaite ko bamo that's what happened in 202 ekero mukakanya chare koria kero twara gotanga 4 people watu wengi sana tuwakanga chikule chinchiro wengi sana tuwata konyo na bagusiboga twagire wengi sana na kitoko kande gente twara manya abantu bara opposition batakire kuri yo president na bange bari tari omo yo minto mwana yo minto no ari wa munyoro no ari na onye constitution ali nyerende teri chikomwala onye 2027 na buranyo kene kyosikia abere clear dio koleki yo minto Kalonzo noare, yo minto Eugene noare, yo minto Natembeya ngonya gukwana noare, no minto Martha Karua. Bantu ba minto kitoka ndio gukwana iga nandi gotari nko baito moyo, lakini onko batebie kene kindoche ekinapo. Ngeringa ekero kurigeria onye wa Munyoro tari chikobori kura wana se timu inero which kobe kingmaker because he has said kwana ari America igorata kwana ndiyo gakora ne sabato yarenge tima itinga kinya saa makonya taka kwana mangana bira gaikaranza saje de gansa lakini he has been speaking always nga aba passion twist whatever nikro montari kichukura patika rujo gaikaranza ili swali tano tokubora ningaki ngikwarenta yes repeatedly ono ekarna into kurige ngasa banta abans tuso kutuari chikura chinyinge tutara diaspora tutuari chinyinge pe kisina nyamira chigota 1.5 igo totebe na chichi paka igomano bake ya nene balira nigo no ndiri chikumwakira ne balira nigo na chimati yanga kwa nacho okwana western Eugene Wamaro na Natembeya ebabwate more than 3 million toko genda omwako Kalonzo gabwate 2.7 Martha Karua rinde na wa Munyoro ebare more than 4 million then statement ni ya wa Munyoro akwana nga umuntu kabwate chikura chinyinga nero ko presidential candidate then we have minimal chance kare from opposition ko chiko kwa hiyo frag pera as a presidential candidate unless he stands alone na andika go stand alone is no tariko genda andi because ne chuka tora mwakere go tokorero because ne ta to amate na go sangira but Nyasaye se gwanja rorio ngabonsi baigwana na bamwe integeta bantu baminto bantegera bi ese kabanga matiangi otabiru ne presidential candidate as opposition definitely Kalonzo go work out and get it from me and take it to the bank. You go over the other side because I had abantu bari na te bakare songo tell me your friends then I will tell you your character. Abantu barangana na wame te nokoba. Ekwaro mo chumbe omo senator Kitui
ena kuambua
ga te babianga if Kalonzo could not be the flag bearer of opposition is the latter we go to join Kasongo abe running mate yae then Kasongo maximum president 2032
Vile tunaona mwasenata we county ya Kiambu na ro mosike Karungo tango na tabanga lazima kwa vyovyote vile lazima wa Munyoro abere musikiri katika shoko lazima abere ballot.
That is it. I think na iko as much as token ko tabanga na itu no turabu na itu tuara ke sabu tu amanya and who has told you siasa itergo change in 2027 iko kitoko kwana na roche oyo minto okorogu otiso gaba tanga kwana make na namba ibere gokore mengoro le merengaki enke egono buranyo gokora bono nduje narako teba bana mande bakura abantu gabarai mambie no nyora matiangi babwata na Naruto rolinga yoje the other day you saw Uhuru the former president bari Naruto as much as abantu bakatanga bare kwanda go discuss manganda DRC say thing ambare mba kwanda mangana ara a political
na ngote bare ngabana siasa karamo komera muri kubanga mo komera asete mwaso kania sema mwata bangaki no ato kanda teketika ngotora kwanire
that is it ego dynamics siasa ngo change chire each and every day iga abantu baminta babande tumete pa na ande turujinga internet tu ekiresi yeso irangora tani
na nyuma totara ende somo tsikatandi egenta kama kiabege ukwane kaikoroja amangana ekato ukwane amangana matianga amangana amaraga sogwa mori boli ngi abantu bakwe boli ndingaki omugusinza kinna bwante kotana namo ana bwante tane kiamekamo ekiameke kia boli rengereki kiamangero usia kiama mundu we kotemete kubeka abantu ama aba usia kabanyara nyachai matiangi monere na achaga ngoi ukwane gori kia I'm sorry, I can say he doesn't have the capacity to put tuare kia because ya bande ba tabana nirega nga UPA ko koboriko kwara bantu barazi baka jitsa tibaka ke kwanza mna mo chaki be kia mekia UPA matiangi na dese kia meki
inja ya na ringe UPA na ringe jira ringe upa ekekende ke bakoro ngani kia matinge ko kupa abantu amenyo kiriba pako kuminga nono yo tanya ano akorete no ali people will be surprised ninga matiangi tayo tanana no pai because matiangi ege songo tona is on the crossroads
Ara
onye lili oru ga matabi atenda Jubilee oroje Jeremia Kioni agote na kira sote na Jeremia Kioni ngakiara te mate ngate ne ko Jubilee ana robete erani meti ya Mutabat chikoira ngata Mutabat none ge tuo kia Mutabat tanyo ge tuo kia onye we haya no muntu kurukua mnyo nera ko tebanga onye gotigira mate ngabori we kate ne ko disi ngasikisa rao sikisa rao iko mati hangine ruga sobo kongo bonen yani ara sobo kongo bonen azimaja stoko teba ngane herem na yo mwali atandia kwane tiango tebe ande inche ngo tebe gento kira ngoro yani inche na morali yake lakini kana ikranza nzi nkamwana rais matiang no mole mko wa matia maraga no mole mu pa mole no mole mu wa matia maraga nkwara nero match paka se vigilance house ago chikorora aichi amuburinga inki mokobori abana matiang na suki na etani kare ni agende ko right maraga ri 2050 June July eri ya June 2050 June eri ba ko maandamano maraga no arenga agagujitia agasira agasoera katetro ali katolike maraga matiang no arenga ke na sugete ujana maraga no moremu ni na siasa yitata no ni nche no moremu sana koja ko se president no monte matiang na ko se president na ko mtoto yako mo president lakini na ko no muaba bobe eko kwara bachi ko mukutano meru kero bachi ko mukutano meru paka pita munya kabeka jiposta matiang ngo chali ekero wa munyura ali ne tende gakagenda deforo ngire bagakanso mukutano wana mbu president kyokoliye onya etor kore mago kore mukutano aibi
musika tande birengara ryo musika poko obolemu nakabwate machine kupima obolemu
yes
korora upimira obolemu tairenga matiang tali moremu
siasa ya Kenya no obolemu wekorora kanenga ngutene nora abantu batware confidence inga this is a leader I agree with him. But you want to get into the again in a very sober way with a lot of clarity. Eise Koba Matiangi, three presidential candidate. Ogusiba Siva Agiri Roto Chikura. That's the first observation. Second, Omondore problem was opposition ye, Omunyoro. Omunyoro believes is the best. He has the numbers. He can intimidate. He can direct. He can say what he wants. Now, this makes me one of the NASA advisors for Muskimatian. Some of them are making very grievous errors, so Tangabon was a career, including Muskimagara. Because now you they could have advised Matiangi again. They could reach Kurabuna Matiangi. A correct campaign, Yayasa candidate to Matiang. Individual. Talikuna Kobuatia Abandi, Kubuatia Abandi Kurmaga, Toganda Sikit, Pago, Jambaka, no Naroka Matiang, no Athene, in nature, Meliagaba, or Munyorote Baskiza ground, Bonsi Babuato. That is wrong. He needs to go out, have a presidential. Lindargichi Kuruna Matiangi. In Atebanga, I'm going Kurigichi Kura, Kurua Somolengara Tuare. There are so many scenarios before 2027 Chirabe in between. Eisekoba Kalonzo, and my only worry, my concern, Eisekoba Kalonzo joined Muskeruto. Wa Munyoro chire kifyake na ndu wa Munyoro na agenda kifyake Mount Kenya takwa guchikura abantu ngwanje baro muntu kubarwanirira lakini ageni ngulire bari character yawo ngatura kwa power ngakubf bako mwakura so nabera ikosa nginga muno musike apokate urasangire ne barosi arani meter Matiangi yo basora ne no bari Naruto naye kwate gutumia a platform kurama abantu bandi kubaongora
bale sirutu
omana gusangi bali sirutu no bale saransi bakubanyite bakali bisematiang aye bagategenda oberaria
ase kwa ruturama
magendo isaranso politics one day is a very long time in politics in tambe sana what we are saying today because akero kuligereria Kenya kwanza umusiko popote bino na uti gotena kurwo maybe tabwatie natha candidate yoro tingotere no ikiagera nyakundi no agartaki kuikandigie eside na njenko bandigi chikura because at the end of the day nabananchi bakoraki bakwamua that is why ntegete gosororo ndiki chikura kurwo now ebinte bibuna abekire ukora moko kogenderete no bari mu bwa matiangi liria boko monyete liria tebete arameto nankunywa nyasore tima liria boko ngiariete nere is not no mo gotebi head of state nankunywa nyasore lakini nde barangira ndi bagakoraki bakabirana bagapeka magana yakaira so what we are saying we are keenly watching and let me tell you something Usigaiga, especially Ugetutu. Omo Senator Itonyo Ngangwa kali sabu ya wangu. Na nengo rarare. The issues I'm raising here, I've raised the same issues with him. And he's always guiding and telling us, chukunega. Abora sangi we kananda tonjira thinga bana singi jibia bere tusukigo jiga. I'm telling you because we share with him. Gukwana turamangana mange because injira wa munyora akoraki ago behave. So we are waiting because there is time still. But yaba antombalema, you know, politics nere kuna gukwana chi hoteli ma maybe tebinde pa kuna kurama bantu ekoreka very practical but they're very real. Etali will exist. Okay, on the ground you could go and talk the question about why is he not coming out as a presidential candidate? That's the question you must raise and which we must agree. Lakini karabe presidential candidate now which is unlikely. Because someone gwana buno olinjera korekana umuntu gwatenda mwamu imbe yani gakoronga bantu bandi baiseri nero kolate naboto gwe kabuto akesa buto tebenga karunza taratanga tutangane gochiga tonyole so we are weighing options toleng tokora but indota etiko kwa siasa yokora amana na because inde simatian jage kongora nyakundi na because indega jage kongoro no etuta etu commentating because tomorrow na boto kwenyora in the same house to isaransit yes
na yun siasa ya igorali korunga national politics na ntubugata bono obuya mwensi na aba mukuru county ya Kisii na gani in brief ando musika poko gotakaro kwana mange igore county ekala no ametra na go toka basoka mono mwensi no mole basonga se siasa che county jiro chinga ki muranyaga mochi kwanera generally county ya Kisii tuyaga no musika poko
county ya Kisii as things stands ande abantu babintu montagara bya na kerongo kwana na inimote kininga na inchi na kwana no murai simba ga chaka bobe nero mugabano itu nade nate bangasi paka kureta mu ya 27 onye yesu gako mokonya irane tinkoma aida inche nya saura kwa ga chaka bobe but I want to be very fair now umwako uyu after 2 years yaroga oya miss akagoya miaka bere akagoya noni chibese chetu che county yo che na bobe chinyingi na ginata baranga kia ba msi barabu nje sura bakot bomoyo mbabwa because abantu baro yani inkumia tinkumanya eba bwente ko sikum abana lakini tiko mobo and that's what we used to do it happens that I've been an MC for 2 terms and I worked with one governor ongwaye go tuwa musiketari tuwa mobo onye nige ntu kumutira mobo ngi egente kengiata kirko na kiurwai na bono emyaka bere musimba ateberanga tari gwakana baibi tari gwakana pending bills bese jichiro jo na ichiribo taga pending bills na ichibese jiakorte na ichaje ekero bago teronga chire ni guchiturasari igoncha amakonya era sapaso usinja konya community those are the big questions to people know to ask lakini ndio tengo mwako yote to yoga tatu this financial year or temporary na roji bara chikoro sikuone kiuro ake na bintu bibere bitatu byo bino monte tote otemiri abasweri batanga mugara muwe aki but the bottom line in terms of politics people are determined kumurusi people quote my words people are determined kumurusi na bano tingambe kebuye gaberekiria injo mondo ko support no ndali na ndeliso ngo support no ndali neri ngaki tuane inje tuane ko karasa na simbande to kwanere usokoreke igoti ngo support muntu ntanya ko koreke ntanya ko karasa nere na bano to karasa na atandi tari ga tuane oro atandi tuanyure chai twararira mahali guru tanero umanyete Nairobi yake kombwa antari baka chi hotel chinde ntanya goje inje nanya ko koreke na simba igongo none marika otanga okobo bosani nuri murenere ondari twabere nere uringe sio yane ekeronde umugambi ga county na kie ngo musupport as things stands now patise kunyarekana one kina kinte ketatandi yabwate eise kunyarekana umunyari bari okire umunyari bari okire okoryo bogabana omwana ono andari nko na matabi ngaki omwana one nanje na ndo mate muswa mama mwabana arwete seitu na arwete nyari bari mate mwana one tika moyo yabetereri wikangira neka na ande ente ko batebiga rero ntare mbiri bano tatu mwezi wa 8 omonyari bari nago tonyo yomo ntu amanyete mistake no mate tuata asimba chikora chinyikisa wetera munda akabuta munda akatukuta kuchari akatoro sana omonyari bari nago changa pa ni kitoko bobo gabana banje na bagetu distina tu abwazi tamubere ebago kanyika bato bwadesi lakini wenye munyari bari tari gocha nonde sondari nare tukuba sondari naba gitu tukuba kirondari omugaka mumoima tuzikite ene consultant otoko madenga kirobo sana injinane ngokorani setimu iri ayo osa akiro bosana ngere kwaru abu kona che korunga dagra sio soro konyo boliti na tate ko somera mapema lakini ndi konyo bolire kwa obyo kwali bwatira ndi akobanga ask apoko if we get a chance to sit with the governor Simba will he change his mind and support him diangirani injesiga ispono iga na boto kuranza na Simba to kwane ekonero mugabana lakini 27 titi kumubwate sia onye nateba ngumunyari bari onyokorete oro na mbai bire 2017 komo bwadise reason being Simba ka ko iguno mwikaranza ne yani urita
lakini mura ikaranza ne
otana abantu mbekaranza bande baruo minister ya njari saine dia bori yange minister ngiyari kuri saine reason nero Simba oikasa beruna aba pasta banene amago change na lirioka ara igwana n'abantu lakini hata na bono for the last 1 year inta itakuwa very fair Simba toko mora county yani ukuminga ukomo ange review ago charimo kwa mu stadium na bono for the last 1 month nara ni iruma o China na igwe tengo mongno na nyota omwana usinaba
abana yuta ta maiti
bono diganti grabo ngote abangaki okani omwana ingaki bono iganche musigete nero mugaba none tigakore mirimo lakini omonyari bari atenne
ibirengera byo musika Samuel yapoke byo musika tande byo muna musika poka ko etaba ngumunyari nakora litari munyari bariga
byo muno igonta getenda kwane gento mheshimiwa poka kwaniri turigo chikoriyo omonto ngomo support nyore gatagete support yawe gago chakore agokwanire agotinda tugo support onyore tarago kwanira uyo gokwanira go support mwese mwana wa minta kwa nondali ukwanira nje umosike nyandiricha the county commissioner ukwanira na nje omweshimiwa Machogu ukwanire na nje kero nyonga agenda agatangasa agatebanga kuri yarubugabana we shared no mweshimiwa Machogu told me one thing munyali bali ongainire because our concern was abanyali bali mbabwate issues oboko kambanane ibinti bingi so we asked him whatever to bwatirane what about yamanganaya and poko koni family yango munyali bali atoko nera wakireku ekura tigambe kebinte biga chikura chitu akolete tu asumbuanete sana na inargo support yo musiki obure ekanaira na tugasana no musiki omushimi warati sana bibago byalego cha byandwania everywhere na mangana lengo. For me as a person, because I used a lot of money calling lawyers, police, even saving. For me as a person, it affected me. But tinga ngeti umweshimi warati. But again, nkitana gonteving aki, atani inte gitu tubuatira. Olion tebiri. No honko buatira abu solion tebi. Waengo tebaiga. Leadership nagi kwan kurmaiga. The kind of leadership we twara, it go depend the people surround you. In kibago advice, na kibago choka. Libura ibu abura bobo, obuya, osobube. So 2027 ye kirego ikatoko determine mangane county. Tali nja tandi buye kango chikotene na. Ndebe nga koruboge tutu wana tuamwire left. Na bage tutu boka bakwamu abonsi.
Na yo tene yawe yemo.
Iya nene yemo. Watote nga bono kwenda tole kuchiga. Tumana gotegerera mangano musike macho gwakwana, musike nyandiricha, musike ondari. Then now we make a decision inga where do we, because habuna abo ncha abantu bankwani, that is why nko bakwana. But I'm not going to allow proxies abantu olakona weto hoteli. Na yento chitu kurangeli, okona ayeningo konangeli. Right? To saransense ekegero the politics kuli is a competition. Right? Ndurigo chatoko terekere. Is a competition you could give abantu pakobwatesi. So abuno tolebono here. In terms of scorecard, your development, eyi toko 2027. 2027. Yes.
Umusike apoko njita ikanjigwe njeta ni bero na bora ile ora kaniko mire kini njeta ni bero karato jokolera. Kiora tayo mugusie maroga ya bone gato jokolera.
Emugusie emaro ya bone kinda tebe nkiringa twakwane mangana mange na otutu watu boretia na bagusi batotegerere. Pati epoto muraine ringo tebe ngaki. Abagusi twanjane. Digarle sio molengo tokorete pole. Namba ibere na wanda ite kubara oraba moyo nga. Nonye abagusi tuwe koleke esege tuwe koleke. Eserikali nekorete nero. Tika turarangusa kende tukiraba. Tukanyerete eyende mutagete korosia. Ntarochi ego etaruchi koba lakini ene eyi mutagete korosia. Nje ntarochi. Because nje nindo cha serikali go chikoba nani. Yoina apoko. Sana bokwambori nyerese. Ngo chobo gabana na kwera sirunga ki. Nje na apoko wike change. Ebinde ntukwani nyamira nero na bokoronga na bokongumboro. Nabone yare chenjira. Ebibinde bike biro bituka tusabira nyasaye. Nabona nasabira atandi na ningo sabira ndi nyakundi. Mani nyakundi no musani on. Na atandi no nyura atiganda ra motebi. Nyakundi. Nyakundi no mutari on. Chabe. Nabona muso no twara nyene. Igore ndi tigatura abana atandi ka gonya kogoya gorigia. Ndiganda abana nyakundi. Nero kebwate. Atandi kara tiko kenya umutu nane munyori ngaki otunaye no muzani kwarenge ora kwa kenyori dochi.
Thank you. Musika tandi. Angana yo mwali uchesa mutsima garo yale.
Tigankwa nebintu bibere. Muralia igentege tangani gechire abantu bali abakuwakirisha serikali. Village elders, chiefs, assistant chiefs kutira. Tiga watu mikia abana inchi kwa haki. Ebintu bina bya social welfare. Kindly mugo tigo monto le need pio mutakapi because of money magic o monto tatakere gole kwerende. Tuare enkoro yeke hutu konya abantu kyani numere close na abantu. Tigangi chama ngana ya yoborai. Let us respect each other. Mheshimiwa Apoka atabange kiroga atari nikubo president no bo women rep. You never know about tomorrow. Naboko minyokirero mambio sangini jo mugabana. Naboko rama Apoko today mambio sangini ro mugabana. Oso sangini ro mo senator. Amangana nyasaye to kunyara. Go to into positions ketosikane tusike bali birogo na bali igoro na basika abantu bali under them. That's the only way to raimoke. Finally buno umugusi n'umuntu mungaini very hard working. Ololo bana ne birengere bya yekero gusangisa ranse tone dokora isazo no mushimi wa poko se Nairobi to miranire ningaje ta poko because all practical ukwane bintu nanda ukwane kintu kere nkoro ya taliko bisa ukikwane nsema tiato twara candid conversation as a community ngaitobochi as a community ngakitogokora ekintu bunege tokuna kuirorera abarayi bali bandu bachore kurugusi baro opposition please keromo Kenya ngwa kanale bango kara minyoka kararigeria abantu abao kende bae tebanga naba Kenya bande bakuri batumia bakibango y'abantu kugambira barobati gokorerwe bintu aje no guno bwake gikubanga n'umusake to gutoko yanda gukia
mona kigima moncho murigereria buno to gukorera geikaro ritukoria rero na teko gotaini gona renge kwania pa yaye oyo manyikana na authentic Dennis Uhuru na buno to gukorera guru ansamo ya transmission to abwatra na era mic na boigo havira kariri magaji camera ni garenge Wilfred Matondra na boigo yo tokonya Hassan Zame iye bimanyererio igakorwa Wilson Makoli goikera chigo ikachinga kichinde kwengambia mono mosike Samuel Apoko na boigo mosike James Atandi sokonya libaga na gochase taseni yetu ya Gatembe TV abagusiba nyaka bakogoka kima ko bategerera manje mulingo bagadiri obotuko buya na gende ko keremero yonse ya Gatembe TV ekionga kya mungusi chingoro kwa ronyo toto lengiri